Extracting text from HTML file using Python. I'd like to extract the text from an HTML file using Python. I want essentially the same output I would get if I copied the text from a browser and pasted it into Notepad. I'd like something more robust than using regular expressions that may fail on poorly formed HTML. I've seen many people recommend Beautiful Soup, but I've had a few problems using it. For one, it picked up unwanted text, such as JavaScript source. Also, it did not interpret HTML entities. For example, I would expect an HTML source to be converted to an apostrophe in text, just as if I'd pasted the browser content into Notepad. Update HTML2 text looks promising. It handles HTML entities correctly and ignores JavaScript. However, it does not exactly produce plain text. It produces markdown that would then have to be turned into plain text. It comes with no examples or documentation, but the code looks clean. Related questions. Filter out HTML tags and resolve entities in Python. Convert XML/HTML entities into Unicode string in Python.
The best piece of code I found for extracting text without getting JavaScript or not wanted things. You just have to install Beautiful Soup before.
HTML2 Text is a Python program that does a pretty good job at this.
Note, NTLK no longer supports clean_HTML function. Original answer below, and an alternative in the comments sections. Use NLTK. I wasted my 4 to 5 hours fixing the issues with HTML2 text. Luckily I could encounter NLTK. It works magically.
Found myself facing just the same problem today. I wrote a very simple HTML parser to strip incoming content of all markups, returning the remaining text with only a minimum of formatting.
I know there are a lot of answers already, but the most elegant and Pythonic solution I have found is described, in part, here. Update. Based on Fraser's comment, here is more elegant solution.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.